packing on highlighter is not how you get glowy skin. If you want to finally learn how to perfect your glass skin makeup base like a pro and learn professional makeup tips that will make your makeup last all day, then you need to watch this video. So I hope you have your makeup bag because we're going to be doing it together. One of the main beauty myths when it comes to glass skin is to load your skin up with loads of serums. If you were to load your skin with loads of serums like this, like niacinamide, you will end up with makeup that slides off your face. It patches throughout the day. Go in with your toner and eye cream as usual. Hyaluronic acid makes the best makeup base, dries down, but it also gives a shine. This is the only serum you should be using. And then you want to go in with your favorite moisturizer. Pro tip, if your face cream has SPF in there, it's gonna give even more of a shine. I will link all of the products that I'll use down below. If you're finding that your skincare is almost mattifying when you put your foundation on, always use a setting spray to lock in your skincare before you add your foundation. When picking a foundation, you want something buttery and skincare infused. I swear by this. If you are looking for a new foundation, well, get your hands on this. The color I'm using is Duvel. Priming the brush in the palm of my hand so that we diffuse it evenly on our skin. This base is going to look super fresh because we have done our eye makeup first. Are we seeing this foundation? Got the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Skin Enhancer. It is the glowiest glass skin bronzer you can ever imagine. This is the light medium shade and it works so well for any skin tone like mine, in between a bronzer and a contour. You can never go too much with this. Almost like you've just been in the sun for a couple of hours. You want your glowy skin to actually last throughout the day, you need to set it. I know what you're going to say to me, Amy, but surely that mattifies it. I know it contradicts the glass skin, but you've got to be really particular in your placement. You can't just have glow everywhere on your face. That's when you start looking like a sweaty mess. I'm just going to take a little bit of powder, tapping off any excess on the palm of my hand, even layer on that powder puff. One place I don't like glow is the side of my nose by here, because that's where all my large pores are. By doing this, it's going to smooth out my pores. A little bit on my chin, in between my eyebrows. I literally hate that glow. We've still got loads of glow going on. I've just mattified where I kind of don't want texture coming out. I'm going to add a tiny bit of concealer on the palm of my hand. We're doing well in the concealer department. You can clearly see the glow going on, but we're going a step further. This is Haus Lab's new launch. This is the Blush Balm. Literally is glass skin in a bottle. Put it into the areas I want that glowy blush moment. I'm using the other side to just tap into my foundation. I'm going to apply a bit more of my setting spray. Take a glow highlighter of some sort. It can be a cream highlighter. This is a damp beauty blender. And then we're going to add extra glow, and this is what's going to make your skin so buttery. This is my favorite way of using Flawless Filter. Really important to set the highlighter, else you're going to get your hair like stuck to it all the time. To do that, you need a powder highlighter. This is every makeup artist's holy grail. I'm going to swatch all of the shades. Sorry, but what? It's not going to go anywhere. Just did my lip to finish off. My next video is 4 luxury makeup products that every woman should own. If you want more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and I will see you next Sunday.